Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Canon MG5700 series printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to check your IP address and your network information on this printer. Firstly, into open settings, so scroll down, find your setup, and click OK. Then find device settings here, open it. And here you will see LAN settings. So here you have confirm LAN settings. So click on it. And here you will see print LAN details. So click and click yes. Wait a while. And great, as you can see here is the first page of my network configuration page. As you can see here I have my IP. So wait for it, here is, as you can see, my serial number. And here is IP address of my printer. Entering this IP address into web browser, I can open my embedded web server, my web interface of my printer. And on the second page I have other information, so printer's name, VSD printing enabled, disabled, and server out, a proxy port, and data settings. So that's it, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.